Hi! In this lesson, we're going to learn the Spanish alphabet. When we learn the Spanish alphabet, we have to bear in mind that some of those letters can have different sounds or pronunciation depending on what vowel goes after them. Some letters can be combined in order to create or generate different sounds, but we will cover that in another lesson. The first letter is A, America, in English, America. Letter B, burro, in English, donkey. Letter C, casa, in English, house. Letter D, dedo, in English, finger. Letter E, elefante, in English, elephant. Letter F, Francia, in English, France. Letter G, gato, in English, cat. Letter H, historia, in English, history. Letter I, Italia, in English, Italy. Letter J, jamón, in English, ham. Letter K, kilo, in English, kilogram. Letter L, lápiz, in English, pencil. Letter M, madre, in English, mother. Letter N, nariz, in English, nose. Letter Ñ, niño, in English, child. Letter O, oreja, in English, ear. Letter P, pato, in English, duck. Letter Q, queso, in English, cheese. Letter R, ratón, in English, mouse. Letter S, sol, in English, sun. Letter T, tomate, in English, tomato. Letter U, universidad, in English, university. Letter V, vaca, in English, cow. Letter W, whisky. Letter X, xilófono, in English, xylophone. Letter Y, yo, in English, I. And finally, letter Z, zapato, in English, shoe.